Hey, it's Sally with Sally's Solutions, and yet another product from the Wellness Company. This is Diamond Brite. This is super concentrated formula. It's automatic dishwasher detergent. So it's a little packets. Comes 30 packets to a bag. Combines the convenience of a pack with the enhanced cleaning power of enzymes to effectively break down food and remove stains, giving your dishes a spot-free shine without harsh fumes or residues. So pop a pouch into your dishwasher and be prepared to be amazed. It's also available in both the gel and the packs. So, the bag of 30 is $9.49 for members, $14 for non-members. Check out the membership, check out the requirements of membership so you don't get caught with any surprises. That is the Diamond Brite dishwasher tablets.